Hi everybody, it is time for math and we are continuing with our unit of subtraction. Now remember, with subtraction, our ending number is smaller. And remember, with addition, our ending number is bigger. But for subtraction, our number gets smaller. Okay, so for today, this is going to be a little bit of a game. So instead of me doing step by step with you, I am going to tell you a subtraction story, and you are going to draw that subtraction story by yourself first, and then you're going to fill in the subtraction sentence, and then I'm going to draw the picture and check, and you can check to see if your picture and statement matches mine, okay? So it's a little bit of a fun game. It might be a little bit hard, but I think you guys can do it, okay? So what you're going to need is you are going to need your 12.6 worksheet, a pencil, and some crayons. Okay, so we need our 12.6 worksheet, a pencil, and some crayons. All right, let's start off with our first subtraction story. So need to turn your listening ears on, go, and really listen hard, okay? Because we're going to draw our picture step by step, okay? So I went shopping today, and I bought 5 oranges from the store, and I brought them home and put them in my fridge. So how many oranges are you going to draw? You are going to draw 5 oranges. Well, to continue the story, Mr. Bortz got home from work and was so hungry, he opened up the refrigerator and he grabbed 1 orange and he peeled it and he ate it. So he ate 1 orange. So how many oranges are you going to cross out of your story? You're going to cross off 1. Okay. How many oranges am I left with? Okay, so that was my addition story. I'm going to say it one more time. So I went shopping today at the store and I bought 5 oranges and I brought them home and I put them in the fridge. Mr. Bortz came home and he was so hungry, he ate 1 orange. How many oranges am I left with? All right, so your picture should be done. If you need a few more minutes, just pause the video. Now on this line, you're gonna write how many oranges I started off with from the store. So what was that number? All right, I want you to write on the line. I'm not giving any answers yet. I want you to write on the line. And then on this line, you're going to put how many oranges are crossed out in your picture to show how many oranges Mr. Bortz ate. Again, how many did he eat? All right, write that on the line. And how many am I left with? So those are how many oranges do have no X's on them. How many am I left with? All right, write that number on the line. Okay, so I'm going to draw the picture and we're going to do the number sentence together and you're going to check your answers with me, okay? All right, so this is what your picture should look like. So I have 5 oranges and 1 is crossed out because Mr. Bortz ate it. So let's fill in the number sentence together. All right, how many did I start off with? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I started off with 5 oranges from the market. And then on this line, I write how many Mr. Bortz ate. So how many did he eat? He ate 1. So that's how many I crossed out. How many do I have left over? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 left over. So this picture shows us that 5 minus 1 equals 4. Okay. So, you want to do another one? You guys are really good with this one. Let's do another one. Okay. So let's go back to when it was Valentine's Day. My niece gave me 7 of those little heart candies. So she gave me 7 of the little heart candies. I was so excited that she gave me 7 little heart candies. I ate 5 of them. I ate 5 of them in one day. Oh, I had a bellyache after that. How many do I have? How many mini heart candies do I have left? All right, I want you to draw your picture. So, I started off with 7 heart candies from my niece. So draw 7 heart candies. I ate 5 of them in one day. Such a bad stomach ache. How many do I have left? All right, let's do the question. So how many heart candies did I start off with? Write that number on the line. How many did Mrs. Bortz eat and made herself get sick with a tummy ache? Write that number on the line. And then how many do I have left for the next day? Write that number on the line. Okay. Now I'm going to draw my picture and see if our picture matches, okay? All right, let's see. All right, so this is what your picture should look like. So I started off with how many mini candy hearts? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to write 7 on my line. And how many did I eat that caused me to get a tummy ache? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I write 5 on my line. Now, how many do I have left over? How many do I have left over? 1, 2. So I have 2 left over. So this picture shows 7 minus 5 equals 2. Now, guess what? I want you on the last one to make up your own subtraction story. So you got to start off with how many of those objects you want, then you cross them out, and you show me how many are left. Okay? So what you got to do, you start off with how many objects you want, cross them out, and then show me how many are left. And then I want you to write a matching subtraction sentence. okay? You guys are going to do great. I cannot wait to see your work. Now, before you start, I want you to flip over to the fluency page so I can explain the fluency page to you. All right. Now, this fluency page, remember, whichever way you need help with your subtraction, either with using objects like toys or coins or crayons, that's perfectly fine with me. Or if you want to use your fingers, that is cool with me too. Now I want you to do this all by yourself, and I want you to post your work. So I want you to post your own subtraction story and this back page, okay? I know you guys are going to do such a great job. I hope you had fun with math today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.